Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you one of my recipes. My husband loves grits and he also loves breakfast food. So I came up with this recipe based around the foods that he likes, and it's absolutely delicious. So I'm making it for him today, so I wanted to share it with you all as well. So I call this cheesy grits breakfast bowls. I really think you guys are going to like this recipe. So here's the list of ingredients you're going to need for this. You're going to need some grits, and we're going to use real grits. We're not using the packaged kind. We're going to make some real good homemade grits. I have some milk back there because I like to do part water and part milk. You're going to need some cheddar cheese. I'm using mild cheddar, but you can use whatever cheese you'd like. You're going to need some good thick cut bacon. You're going to need some sausage. I have mild country sausage from Tennessee Pride, but you guys can use whatever sausage you like. Some salt and pepper and some butter. You'll also need some eggs depending on how many breakfast bowls you guys are making. And then I have some scallions for the top, pretty much for garnish. And that's it guys, that's all you need to make Retzi's Cheesy Grits breakfast bowls. So let's get cooking guys. Okay guys, so I'm using my griddle today because I'm going to be making my bacon and sausage together. So I'm going to go ahead and put my griddle on 350. We want to get it nice and hot. So I'm going to start cooking my sausage and my bacon and get that all done with so we can work on our next step. Alright guys, this looks great. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. As you can see, my bacon is nice and done. I'm going to put that on a paper towel lined plate. Put that over here. And I'm going to take the sausage off and put that in a bowl and get ready for our next step. So we'll be back in a minute guys. Okay guys, I got everything ready to make the grits. Like I said in the beginning, I do equal parts of milk and water. So I have 2 cups of water, 2 cups of milk. I have 1 cup of grits here. And then I have my salt, butter, and some cheese. I'm going to go ahead and turn the stove on medium-high because we want to get this nice and hot. And to the pot, I'm going to add my water and the milk. And I'm going to season it in the beginning. It does make a difference. So you just want to put a little bit of salt. Not too much. We could always season it more later. I'm going to let this get nice and hot, and then we're going to mix in our grits. So we'll be back in a minute when this gets nice and hot. Okay guys, so as it starts to come up to a high simmer, we're going to go ahead and start whisking in our grits. And you want to make sure that you keep on whisking so they don't get clumpy. We don't want clumpy grits. We want nice, smooth grits. So just keep on whisking it for about a minute. Alright, I don't feel any lumps or see any lumps in there. So now we can go ahead and turn the stove to a low. Go ahead and cover it, and we're going to let it cook for about 15 minutes. And we'll be back to check it out, guys. Okay, guys, so it's been about 15 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and check it. Now, typically, grits take about 20 to 25 minutes to cook fully. So it's been 15. So after 15 minutes, I actually turned mine up just a little bit because it was too low. So I would say medium-low. You're just going to go ahead and stir it, still making sure there's no lumps or anything, which it's perfect. Cover it back up again, and we're going to do for another 5 minutes, and we'll check it again in 5 minutes. So we're back guys. Alright guys, so it's been a total of 20 minutes. We're going to go ahead and check them. Yeah, look how great they look. They're all nice and creamy. It's gotten nice and thick. Alright. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and add some butter. going to put 1 tablespoon of butter in there. And the cheese. Because remember, this is Rexy's Cheesy Grits breakfast bowl. So I'm going to do 1 cup and see how that works. Melt the butter and the cheese. Doesn't it look delicious? Alright, at this point we can go ahead and turn it off. I'm going to go ahead and give this a taste. See if I need any more salt or butter or cheese. It's really good. I'm going to put a little bit more salt in it. And I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of the cheese. So 2 cups of cheese. And I'll always put the measurements and ingredients in the description box for you guys. Plus my hubby really likes cheesy grits, so I'm sure he won't complain. And all you cheese lovers out there. Alright, now I'll taste it again. Perfect. That's really good. It's very nice and creamy, cheesy, buttery, delicious. So I'm going to go ahead and cover that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to move it to my back burner and put it on warm so they stay nice and warm. Move this over here. And now all we have to do is make our egg. So I'm going to go ahead and put my pan on medium-high. Get this nice and hot so we can go ahead and fry our egg. And then put this baby together. Okay guys, my pan's nice and hot. I just dropped a little bit of oil in there so it doesn't stick. I'm going to put a little bit of butter. I'm going to lower this to medium-low. I'm going to put a little salt and pepper on it. And I'm going to cover it. So we want to cook this over easy. So as soon as this egg is done, we will be back to put it all together. Okay guys, so I have everything set up. I have our cheesy grits, our sausage, our bacon. I have the egg, and I have some scallions over here in a bowl. So this is the way we're going to set up Rexy's Cheesy Grits breakfast bowl. So we're going to go ahead and put some of these delicious grits in the bowl on the bottom. Just like that. We're going to take the sausage and we're going to sprinkle it all over. As much as you guys want to put on there. We're going to put some bacon right on top of that. We're going to put this delicious egg right on top of that. And our finishing touch, just a couple of fresh scallions on top of that. Okay guys, and there you have it, Rexy's Cheesy Grits breakfast bowl. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely enjoyed making it. My husband is definitely going to enjoy eating it. I'm going to go ahead and cut it open for you so you guys can see what it looks like. Look at that, guys. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. It's absolutely delicious. If you guys like my videos and you want to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe. Put your notifications on so you guys don't miss any of my videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.